Hi there, I'm Colin Lott from Drive School of Motoring, and today we're going to be covering the parallel park exercise. Okay, so why do we park in reverse? Very simply, because we can get into smaller spaces in reverse. That's as simple as it gets. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Well, firstly we're going to pull up alongside the car, so let's make sure we do that safely. So we're going to set the gas and find the biting point, obviously once we're in first gear. And we're going to have a good look all around us to make sure it's safe to pull away from the curb. And we're not going to signal because there's nobody to signal to. Okay, now we're going to pull out alongside the vehicle. We want to be about half a metre or half a door length from the vehicle and just slightly ahead of it so that we can see the end of the vehicle in the side window here. That's absolutely fine. So we're going to stop there and select reverse gear. And okay, so we're now going to do a full check again. This time we're going to check the opposite way round. We're going to start from the right hand shoulder and finish over the left, and that allows us to look out the back window as we're going backwards. Okay, so just a quick look around, make sure it's all safe. Now what we're doing now is we're going back until we can see the end of the vehicle in the corner of the side window here. Okay, so that's the rear passenger side window. We're looking for the corner of the car, and that's about there now. So we're going to have a good look around just to make sure that everything's safe before we start swinging the front end of the car out. And then we're going to put one turn on towards the curb. Okay, so that takes the back end of the car in towards the curb. Now what we're looking for now is our second point of turn, which is where the side mirror is in line with the corner of the car that we're parking around, which is about now. So we're going to have another look around, make sure it's still all safe, which it is, and then we're going to put two turns on in the opposite direction. So far we've put one turn on towards the curb, and now we're taking two turns off away from the curb. Continually looking all around, and there's a car behind us, but he's stopped to let us continue, so we're going to continue very slowly. And then just as we get to the point where the car is straight and parallel to the curb, we're going to then take off that one turn that we've got on to the left. Okay, we're going to let this car pass, as we've stopped while they go by, and then as we get to this point we're going to take off one turn, so that's steering one turn again towards the curb, taking off the steering that we had on, and we're just going to stop there, and that's the manoeuvre complete. We're about 6 to 9 inches away from the curb, which is exactly where we need to be, and within one car length of the car, again, which is the other requirement of the finished position. So if you need any more detailed information, you can always feel free to email me at info@Drive School of Motoring, and I'll get back to you. Until then, drive safely. I'll speak to you soon.